picture that seductive serene of statistics is not just about some dusty academic concept. It's a hidden force shaping everything from the serene fields of sunflowers to the fortunes of billion-dollar corporations. Its symmetrical elegance, a perfect mirror image of grounding whispers the secrets of probability and predictability. This video shows a golden scene depicting customer who changing habits in a business meeting to discuss sales.
What is this? Our sales are all over the place and these are not even organized. And you're all doing nothing. That's why I call this meeting, because we need to analyze our customers' spending patterns to see if they follow normal distribution. So for us to understand this.
Yeah, of course. I think we first need to identify our customer spending habits. So the first one I want to share is our journey shoppers, which spend around 50 pesos.
I usually buy 3 or 4 at a time. It's enough to last a while, but not so many that I waste money on a new one. Well, I'm the same. I usually buy 2 or 3 because, I like having a few in my hand, and also I try to be mindful when I spend. I know, right? We just spend regularly.
So the next one is our budget shoppers, which spend around 30 pesos or less.
I think one notebook is enough for taking notes. Besides, I only need one, and I will buy another one if I run out of space.
And we have also our high standard shoppers, which spend around 70 pesos or much more.
Should I buy enough notebook or not? Nah, I should buy a lot. Besides, too much is enough than too little. And I have lots of money. I should buy that whole pack. That's all.
So those are our customer spending habits. So based on our reports here, the average spending of our customers is 50 pesos with a standard deviation of 10 pesos. That's right. Actually, I have already 50% here. This one. This curve represents our customer spending is distributed. Most of them spend the average, and with fewer of our customers spend much more and much less.
Oh, I see. It's good that we use linear coding, since with this rule, we can determine how many percentage of customers are spending with the range of our average mean, which is 50 pesos. So this means that 68% of our customers spending with 40 pesos is 60 pesos with one standard deviation, while 95% of our customers spend between 30 to 70 pesos with two standard deviations, and 99.7% of our customers spend between 20 to 80 pesos with three standard deviations.
Indeed. So this means that our customer spending is close to that mean, which is 50 pesos, and fewer people spend much more and much less.
I think this gives us a chance, since now we know that most of our customers spend between 40 pesos and 60 pesos. We should focus promotion and discount on the price range. However, we also need to create strategies to attract big spenders and budget spenders.
I agree. This would help our sales a lot. But where we should influence our customers, which is mostly students, considering that we are in a school supplies business industry.
That's great, but before that, I want us to calculate first an exact probability where we use the special case of normal distribution, which is the standard normal distribution. The standard normal distribution where we convert values into z-scores for us to find out the probability of our customer spending less than a particular value.
That's a great idea, since z-scores are used in standard normal distribution to measure how far a value is from the mean in terms of standard deviation. This will allow us to compare different data points, find probabilities, and use z-table to determine areas under the curve.
Okay, so let's say for example, our customers spend 40 pesos. Now, using the z-score formula, represent the value that we are checking, which is 40, and which subtract to our mean, which is 50, and divided to our standard deviation, which is 10.
So if we go to calculate this, we will get the z-score of -1, which is this.
Ooh, okay, so the blue shaded area represents our possibilities of z-score, which is -1, which if we are going to base it on our z-table, it equals to 15.87, meaning that 15.87% of our customers spend less than 40 pesos.
This indicates that there are still possibilities that our customers will spend less than 40 pesos. I think this helps us immensely in identifying typical spending patterns, allowing us to produce target discounts or promotions to our customers who spend below average. So this technique encouraged them to purchase higher.
So what promotion should we do?
So I think for our budget shoppers, we should offer more discounts for them to be able to spend more.
Well, we introduce premium products for our big spenders.
And we can implement target marketing campaigns for our largest regular spenders group. Spectacular! Let's do it! For that, we deserve this traffic, guys. Thank you very much.
This for our average spenders.
We're looking for a balance between affordability and quality.
Of Pages Food Essential.
With premium products with a premium price. Get yours now!
Do you want to personalize your premium product with a great name of yours? Then, introducing our premium product.
Are you one of our budget shoppers? So, you would like this offer. We're offering a buy two notebooks just for free bundle. So what are you waiting for? Get your free notebook now!
A normal distribution is asymmetrical, a bell-shaped curve representing a continuous probability. The empirical rule is a guidelines for understanding the data distribution in a normal distribution, whereas 68% of the data falls within one standard deviation of the mean. The 95% of the data falls within two standard deviation of the mean. The 99.7% of the data falls within 3 standard deviation of the mean. A normal standard distribution has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, simplifying comparison and analysis of other normal distributions.